So last week I made my monthly bullet journal with the glorious theme of ice cream. And this week I made some more ice cream, I made some ice pops and used them for my inspiration for my weeklies. I always like to play with different kind of layouts and I tried to find a way for my theme to spark some ideas. Like here, these ice pops are perfect for a vertical layout. But that's not the only one, I have several more. They're always different. Each one has its own layout and its own design and its own ice cream desserts on it. So there's loads of ice cream desserts, and if you want to make a luscious, nice, juicy ice cream bullet journal, join me now. And if you like ice cream, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more arty nature fun that's coming up in the next month. I started my weeklies with a big ice cream cone with 6 scoops of ice cream. Why 6 if the week has 7 days, you might ask? Well, because more than 6 scoops of ice cream would melt before we'd eat it, right? Just kidding, it's because the cone itself can serve as a marker for Sunday. So the first week has horizontal layout. That means that every day has a row of its own and they go from the top to the bottom. You could also make a double spread with 2 cones and add 3 scoops on one side and 2 on the other, and you'll get 7 compartments in total. But I liked the idea of the giant cone, so I went with it. I wrote the initials in the thick rounded letters that are so reminiscent of ice cream shops. On the next page, I drew an ice cream dessert for each day of the week and just evenly distributed them onto the double page spread. Here you can see me draw a bit closer. If it's hard for you to draw these desserts, you could also use stickers or trace it from a picture on your phone. Just put it underneath the paper and draw very lightly so you don't damage the screen. I decided to add headers for the days in color, so I grabbed my Pitt pens and chose some nice ice creamy colors. I tried to keep the same colors for each day of the week as in my monthly that you could see last week. If you haven't, the link is in the card and in the description. I should have added an ice cream sandwich. I always forget about that one because we rarely make it at home. It's quite some fuss and we usually just make sundaes. And that one is coming on the last spread, so stay with me. The next spread is vertical with 6 ice pops on it. The last one is a swirly chocolate and mint because that's the one for the weekend and it holds both Saturday and Sunday. That's why I made it different from the rest. Others are sorbets that we usually make. Lemon, tangerine or orange, raspberry, blackberry and cocoa. When I was little, my mom used to say that natural ice cream can't ever be that vividly colored. And while that holds true for the milk and egg ice cream, it certainly is not true for sorbets. That's the ice cream without the milk and the eggs. They have these gorgeous bright colors and I love them for that. And for the flavor, of course. I added the dates onto the popsicle sticks and painted everything and the spread was done. The last spread has a center design and it's dedicated to a luscious sundae. There are not that many lines here, but the message gets across anyway. Ice cream is very easy to draw, so have a go. Again, I added the names of the days with Pitt pens in flowy, bouncy lettering and I placed them around the sundae on a circular path. Then all I had to do was paint it. To keep everything cohesive, I chose the same or similar colors that I have already had on my page in my titles. You can choose a darker or lighter tone of the same color and it will still look nice, by the way. And now the final flip through of the whole month. I hope you enjoyed this theme as much as I did. I really enjoy the ice cream. I am sure that in June we'll eat more than I have painted here. What's your favorite flavor? I'd love to know. I love chocolate all year round and in summer especially I love fruit sorbets. Mango, raspberry, blueberry, tangerine, yummy. For the fruit ice cream we actually prefer sorbets without any milk or eggs added. Try it sometimes, they're delicious. And can you guess the theme for the next month? I'm already playing with it, so leave a comment and let me know. And of course, if you have any wishes for any theme, let me know as well. See you next week. Bye bye.